how to log in to your TEMU account. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your TEMU account. Whether using the app or the website, I've got you covered. First things first, open your device and open Chrome or open the TEMU app itself. Go to temu.com. Now, once you're on the TEMU homepage, you'll need to locate the login button, which is usually at the top right corner. As you can see, go to sign out. Remember, I'm going to be showing you how to do. Now go back. Go to leave. Now, as you can see here, you can see the profile button. Tap on it. Here you can tap on sign in or register. If you have already your account, you need to simply sign into your account. Simply enter your account details, that is your username and password, or your email address and password. After that, simply click on sign in. Now, some users may have enabled two-factor authentication for added security. If that's the case, TEMU will send a verification code to your phone or email. Just enter that code into the box provided and hit verify. And that's it. That's how you successfully log into your TEMU account.